Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk about this awesome 3-in-1 MagSafe compatible folding wireless charger from a company called Lesaox. This is a really cool product. It is a 3-in-1, and yeah, you heard that right. Maybe you're looking at it and saying, wait, I see the MagSafe charger, but what about the rest? Ta-da! All three charging stations are there. You've got your MagSafe compatible charger. This is a 10-watt MagSafe compatible charger. It is slightly raised from the base so that the camera bump is no issue whether you have a case on or not. Your phone will fit on this and charge no problem. Next up is a 5-watt earbud charger. This works for AirPods, Samsung Galaxy Buds, basically any earbuds that support wireless charging. And then last but not least, you have your Apple Watch charging pad to charge your Apple Watch. And you can be using any one of these or all three of these at the same time, charging all your devices anywhere you are, which is great. Now let's talk really quick about what comes in the box besides this. In the manual, you do get the power brick and the charging cord to plug this into. The power port's on the back here of the MagSafe charger right there. You plug that in, and so that comes in the box. You don't have to worry about supplying your own power supply. That comes with it so that you can keep this thing nice and powered. And the Apple Watch portion, you can see you can lay it flat and you can lay your watch on there flat, but some watch bands don't allow you to lay it flat, and that's no problem because this pops up and it is magnetic, so you can pop it up and throw your watch on there that way as well. They got everything covered. What else is cool about this is the fact that it comes in multiple colors. You've got purple, as you see here, which is a really cool color. I love this color, that's why I chose it, purple, which I think looks really great. They also have black and white, the two traditional colors, but they also have green, they have blue, and they have pink. So any of those color options are available to you. You can get the one that is your favorite, which is great. Another cool feature about this, besides folding up, easy for travel, you can also fold it into a triangle, and it will latch onto itself like that, and you can put your phone on here horizontally. So let's say you're traveling, you sit this by your bed, you put your iPhone on here horizontally, you turn on that standby mode so you have your clock at night. Or even if not at night, if maybe you use this at work, you take this with you to work, you fold it up, you put your phone on there, and you just have it as a smart display in that standby mode. So, and your phone will stay on here horizontally without any issues at all. I have the 15 Pro Max, basically the biggest iPhone there is, and it stays on there with no issue at all. So it works really cool that way as well. You can, when it's in this thing, you can still use the Apple Watch charger as well. Maybe not as ideal as when it's all flat, but it will work. So really great that you have all these different options. I mean, simple device, but such a cool design that you have this very compact way to carry it with you. And you can use just one of these or all three of these at the same time. You can lay it out flat, use all three. If you're just going to be using it with your phone, you can fold it into a triangle, use it in horizontal mode with the standby mode on your iPhone. Just really cool product. Works great, very simple, very beautiful, and a unique design to give you additional functionality and make it extremely portable because of the way that it folds up. So really excellent product by Lesaox. If you are looking for a 3-in-1 MagSafe compatible wireless charger and you want something that is easy to take with you wherever you go, easy to travel with, then this foldable charging station from Lesaox is definitely one that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions about it, just post it down in the comments below, and I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.